shift, double column on recoil, MR.
Right shoulder shift, boys. Press X.
You look spiffy. Thank you. Thank you.
We're going right up there! Hey!
Hey, yo.
That was an accident.
I was gonna get away with it. Never mind.
Connect that Bluetooth device into my butt.
I swear that never happens.
Free shooting.
Shut up. Boys.
Alright, let's go, boys. On the star, gentlemen. On the move, Wados.
Oh, shit, that wasn't double quick lift.
Press T, double click on your star, Moeen. Hold on the fence. Hold on the fence with IVB MR. Hold on the fence with IVB MR.
Are we all that's left, bro?
Yeah. Get ready, boys. Get ready.
They did, dude.
I'm hoping someone's watching this.
Charge, up and over. Let's go.
Everybody up and over. Everybody up and over. Everybody up and over.
We shot him, sir.
Push, push.
Up on the wagon.
Straighten it up.
A couple of them went back behind this house and died because they were out of bounds. It's hilarious.
Above us!
He died because he's out of bounds.
Oh no, they're fine because they fell off the cliff.
Stick your dicks down the road. This be the IPV.
This is a fucking slaughter. Oh, fuck, I'm so behind you. Oh, boys are all fantastic.
Sorry, major recoil. Here you go.
Thank you.
Oh god, he died. He fucking died.
Are you there, Margaret?
MR, up and over to the right.
MR, up and over to the right. MR, up and over.
Recall. IPB recall.
To the right, to the right.
Oh, wait,
East.
with the house.
Barrels, up the barrels.
Ready!
I just got 2 kills with that buckshot. What's up? What's up?
Hold here.
Come over here, 30th.
I'm up here. I'm gonna check at you.
I think you have to have 3. Okay, Sloppy's here. Yeah, their flag is right there, south, right on the other side of the fence in the street.
Holding fire!
see him down the road with 2 flags.
Follow your star, gentlemen!
Into the backyard!
Hold your fire. Oh shit! Shoot through the fence, lads!
This is my yard. You're all beautiful. You are all.
I would actually advise against that since you're shooting through the white fence.
Yeah, line up on the stone wall, boys. Shoot. Lining up on the stone wall.
Stay right here, Art.
Alright, I thought you guys were with me. Pull it back, pull it back in here, pull it back in here.
Heading us off. Keep going. On the sprint, on the sprint.
I got a freaking splinter in my eye, Nugget! I got a splinter in my eye, Nugget!
No, nerd, don't run out.
I was just getting that dumbass getting their flag.
Yeah, they're right down there. They're right down that.
They're grabbing their flag again.
Street.
They grabbed their flag. I don't have a load.
That line, the guys that are shooting the left, that line is going to be firing down.
Hey, Donald.
They're going to be caught out.
On recoil, MR, move out. Fire.
Pull back
Back to reload, pull back to reload.
It is a get better store. Don't lie to me. It's a pretty get better store. Then run up to you. What's
Not much, not much. Quiet. Yeah, we're just bucking pulling through.
Pull back behind us.
Spawned on the wrong side. I know I can't take Alexander, fat nerd, hi. I know I'm on the wrong side, so I'm gonna go for the one. You're here with us. You're here with us.
I see you, Trump.
Hey Dixie, just one fat nerd for Ramboing. Yeah, no, he was supposed to be kick on first warning. Alright, sounds good. Yeah, he's just been doing it quite a bit.
Come here.
We don't take prisoners.
Come here.
Shit, I'm out of here.
Wait a minute.
Dude, this is the worst fucking time for the bayonet bug. I swear to God, I want to shoot these fucking devs in the head.
Alright,
Wait a minute.
mission. We got these flags for mission. Amen.
Just drive on it back way in, save it, sir. Where the That's where fear is.
Make sure you get your kids full.
53rd, back on the stone wall. Wait, cancel that.
Hold here. EV,
Don't do that, John.
Hold
Immediately
form on
run
left.
right here. I heard a gunshot to our left.
Keep going.
Yeah, there's guys down the
About to hit this nasty ass fucking flank.
Over here, over here.
Back here, behind us.
behind us. ED, northeast, shoot through the fence. Brace.
Eat this fucking bug, fat bastard.
Everyone, please.
They're coming around.
Right rear.
Fuck you. Shut that guy. Try to climb over. Flag.
Shoot through the fucking fence, EB.
Always make sure you get your full kits.
Yeah, I think it's back to the stone wall, EB. No, rally right here. Rally here, boys.
Shooting west.
What are you doing?
I was typing to the admin to keep one thing by myself, and I was the only one to survive the charge, but a fucking idiot admin. The only person to survive the charge. Hey,
Hold here, EV.
3 people required to engage. You're gonna get warned and kicked.
Flag up.
Oh, flag down.
Rambo.
Backyard. Forward, 53rd, forward.
EV up to the stone wall.
No, I just.
Shoot him down,
Charge. Make sure you back up when they charge, boy.
Well, this map got a Union boost on TikTok.
Don't reload close to the walls. Do not reload close to the walls. Back up to reload.
Make sure you get in cover. Reloading in cover, whoever said that. Keep. Best with the best. Die like the rest. Damn right. You're fucking.
I've got about 9.
I mean, if you put them in that wood lot right there, they can go through that fence and they can keep that road suppressed on the left.
I was thinking about taking
Ooh.
That's
around
funny.
here, turn left, and just trying to charge out the whip.
I mean, if you can take, if you can take the Whitworth and get wiped, I'm fine with that. I mean,
Stupid is a stupid.
Hopefully you got the 20th in that video.
At the house. Don't push up. Stay here.
one left.
I don't see no one.
Right side looks pretty clear, God.
Independent Fire Company B.
Tidal wave.
Right side look. Hey, pretty clear.
I'll be confiscating your stuff. And you go to pay your fine. It's off to the lock.
Clear to get the flag up. Get the flags up. Get the flags up.
In this backyard.
Just hold here, 30th. Hold here for.
They're coming around to stab us.
Come here, boy. Give me that line.
Get that flag up.
Let's go, boys. Get back up there.
We don't like Rambo. You better not be Ramboing. You better not be Ramboing. I saw that criminal scum. It's all over, Law Britain.
Hey, they're down there.
Oh, not Sensei. Ooh, double warning. Ooh. Complex got him too.
Push up to the stone eagle. Right here. Let's get a line right here. Shoot right on the board.
He asked for a warning, so I gave him one. Can you warn that dude who just shot me that he was Ramboing? That's crazy.
They're getting our flags.
Stonewall. Hey, you guys are doing great.
There's a shithead up there. Shoot the shithead.
Shoot that guy running up.
Someone right now. Pull back. Okay, you're good, you're good. Hey, don't extend too much.
Just a couple skirms. Just a couple skirms. Their flag pulled back.
Prepare for right side.
Hey, alright, watch MCR. Hey, MCR.
Hey boys, get ready. They're coming from right.
Hey, they're right front. They're coming left. They're coming left. So we're gonna be
Yeah, no. Hey, dude, I can't shoot you, piece of shit. Kill one. There's a couple of them behind the building. Yeah, we've got they've got to be. It's got to be on the right.
I killed one.
Oh.
I killed one. They're on a wagon. I got one.
No, they're behind the wagon.
Pull back behind the house, boys. Behind the house.
Let's take it,
boys. Yeah, pull back and reload.
Hey, stop popping out in the open for right.
Stop popping out, boys. Stay behind the house. Stay behind the house.
Gentlemen, be ready.
Hold your loads, hold your loads.
We're losing tickets if you pop out.
Make sure they don't shoot spawn, dude.
Yo, shut up.
That's Sterling.
No, he's thinking.
Why is the 20 Trump stinks?
Sterling, play the seatbelt song.
Black. Look. Down the railroad.
Here they
Down the
come.
railroad. Come back, hold the stone wall, MR.
Full loads. Get your loads in, MR. Hold this stone wall.
Can do, sir.
Up and over, boys, up and over. Get to the stone wall.
Standing in the way. Take me!
Good fucking shit, MR.
Back a little bit, boys.
Stand back,
Red
MR.
starting positions, boys.
If you're you're on that wall.
Guys,
pull it
remember.
back.
We're capping.
Thank you for the flag. Thank you, buddy. Have a good time.
That flag. Thank you.
Yeah, right there. I'm a bucketball. Thank you, officer. Appreciate that. I'm out of bullets, boys. I'm out of bullets. Defend me, boys. I'm out of bullets.
Behind us, behind us. Hold. You're good, you're good.
GG's tonight.
Good games. Base bars.
Yeah. Complex doesn't have to surrender anymore. Woo!
That's your queen.
GG's.
Okay.